Hello, children. Welcome to our class. Yes, open the page number 44. So, here, what can we see in this picture? There's a squirrel and few girls and a boy, right? So, here the lesson name is Where is Bittu? Before that, before going into that, we'll go for the Yes, we'll talk about the previous classes. Okay, what we have learned in the previous classes. See here, what is the lesson name? What is the lesson name, children? Yes, here is our unit. Unit 3, Ammu's school. I think you all colored it, right? I said you to color the picture. Did you all color it? Yes, if you did not color it, please color it, okay? Yes, here we saw school. Yes or no? Which school? Government primary school. Here we have children entering into the school. Here the man is ringing the bell. Teacher, children are playing. Yes or no? We can see hand pump here. A flag holder. Yes. Here we can see, here is a boy who is Ishwar, whose name is Ishwar. Who is Ishwar, children? Yes, Ishwar is the friend of Ammu. Yes or no? Yes, here it is a squirrel. Who is the squirrel? Yes, it is the friend of Ammu, whose name is Bittu. Yes or no? Yes. So Ishwar and Ammu are at the school gate, right? Ishwar comes and the school bell rings. He asks Ammu to hurry up, and the school bell is ringing. Please come inside, hurry up. Yes or no? Yes. In the next class, in the next topic, bit 2 in the class, what happens? Ammu puts Bittu in her bag and she goes for attending prayer. Bittu is all alone in the school, in the bag. Yes or no? In the class. Ammu is telling Bittu to sit in the bag, and she is going to the ground for prayer. Okay. Yes. Next one. Ammu's classroom. Now Bittu comes out from the bag, right? And he sees everything in the classroom. Yes or no? Yes. What did Bittu see in the classroom? Here we have bottle, bag, dustbin, board, table, benches, desks, everything, right? Pencil, book, everything. Yes, in the next, let's catch the squirrel. So, there are few children whose names are Ganga, Hari, Fatima, Ishwar, Hema. They are classmates of Ammu. Children, after prayer, they rushed into the classroom and they saw him Bittu. So, the Ganga is telling that, look, a squirrel in the class. Now Hari is saying, let's catch it. What Ishwar is saying? This is Ammu's squirrel. Whose squirrel it is? Ammu's squirrel. What are the children doing? They are watching at Bittu. Yes or no? Yes. Here there are colors. Now here Ishwar and Fatima are trying to catch Bittu. The Bittu is jumping on the colors. Yes or no? Yes. Where is Bittu? Bittu is in colors. Next here, Bittu and the children. Here, while seeing the friends of Ammu, Bittu got scared and it is jumping here and there. Yes or no? Is jumping here and there in the class. Children are screaming and running here and there. Yes or no? Yes. From here, Ammu is looking into the class. She's coming to the class. Okay. What are the children doing in the picture? They are screaming and running in the class because there is a squirrel. There is Bittu in the class. Yes. Next, Bittu the painter. See, Bittu the painter. Painter means the one who paints colors, right? Sing the song. We sang this song, right? You already know how this rhyme is. How this song is sang. Here is a squirrel sitting on my head. Yes or no? Yes, here is a squirrel sitting on my head. Now my head is brown in color. Now my head is brown in color. Yes or no? Yes, we saw it. Where is Bittu in the first picture? Yes, here Bittu is on the head of Hari. Where is Bittu in the second picture, Bittu is on the knee of Ganga. Here, sing your song. What is Bittu doing here? Bittu is on the nose of Indu. Here, Bittu is on the shoulder of Jhansi. Bittu is on the back of Kathy. Here, Bittu is on the foot of Lalita. Yes, finished. Here, now see here. Where is Bittu? Where is Bittu? See here. Ammu comes to the class. She is looking for Bittu. Now here what happened, children? The Bittu is in colors, right? And it is jumping here and there. So where is Bittu here? Yes. Hey Bittu, what are you doing? What Ammu is asking. Hey Bittu, what are you doing, Bittu? Now what Bittu is doing? See, Bittu is on Ganga's knee. Whose knee? Ganga's knee. Bittu is on Ganga's knee. He is on Hari's head. He is Hari and Bittu is on Hari's head. Then here he is Hindu. Bittu is on Indu's nose. Bittu is on Indu's nose. He is on Jhansi's shoulder. Where is Bittu? Bittu is on Jhansi's shoulder. Here Bittu is on Kathy's back. Okay? Where is Bittu? Bittu is on Kathy's back. What is Ammu saying to Bittu? What is Ammu saying to Bittu, children? It is asking Bittu that what are you doing? Yes. Next, will Bittu go back into Ammu's bag? Yes, it will go to Ammu. Afterwards, we don't know whether it goes into bag or not. See here. Ammu catches Bittu. Ammu catches Bittu. See here. Ammu catches Bittu means Ammu Bittuni pattukuntadi. Okay? See. Ammu asks Bittu to come back. While Bittu is roaming and jumping here and there in the class, Ammu is asking Bittu to come back. Bittu is scared and he jumps here and there, spreading colors on everybody. Ammu catches him. Now here Bittu is scared. Bittu bhayapadipoyi. He's jumping here and there and he put colors on everybody. Yes or no? See, we already have a song here. Yes, green color, purple color, red color, yellow color, blue color, red color, yes or no, brown color, every color is on everybody. So Ammu catches the Bittu. Bittu, don't get scared. They are all my friends. What Ammu is telling to Bittu, Bittu bhayapadaku. They are all my friends. They are all my friends. Come to me. It is calling Bittu. Okay, who is calling Bittu? Ammu is calling Bittu. Why is Bittu jumping here and there? Because he is scared. Bittu ఎందుకు అక్కడిక్కడ దుంకుతున్నాడు? ఎందుకంటే వీళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ బిట్టుని పట్టుకుందామని పోతుండ్రు కాబట్టి బిట్టు భయపడి హీఈస్ జంపింగ్ హియర్ అండ్ దేర్. ఓకే, ఎస్. వాట్ ఈస్ అమ్ము సెయింగ్ టు బిట్టు? వాట్ ఈస్ అమ్ము సెయింగ్ టు బిట్టు? బిట్టు, డోంట్ గెట్ స్కేర్డ్. బిట్టు భయపడకు. దే ఆర్ ఆల్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్. వాళ్ళందరూ నా ఫ్రెండ్స్. నువ్వేం భయపడకు, వాళ్ళందరూ నా ఫ్రెండ్స్. నువ్వు నా దగ్గర రా అని అమ్ము ఇస్ సెయింగ్ టు బిట్టు. ఓకే, వాట్ వుడ్ బిట్టు డూ నౌ? వాట్ వుడ్ బిట్టు డూ నౌ? ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాడు బిట్టు? బిట్టు అమ్ము దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు కదా. ఎస్, అమ్ము క్యాచెస్ బిట్టు. సో హియర్ Ammu asks Bittu to come back. Bittu is scared and he jumps here and there, spreading colors on everybody. Ammu catches Bittu. ఏమవుతుంది? బిట్టు ఏమో కలర్లలో మునిగిపోయాడు కదా. ఎస్, అందరికీ కలర్లు అంటించిండు అనమాట. ఓకే, అండ్ ఈ జంప్స్ హియర్ అండ్ దేర్. హీస్ జంపింగ్ హియర్ అండ్ దేర్ అండ్ స్ప్రెడ్డింగ్ కలర్స్. అంటే ఇక్కడక్కడ దుంకుకుంటా కలర్స్ వేస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే, ఎస్. సో అమ్ము ఈస్ కాలింగ్ బిట్టు and it is telling that they are all my friends. Now who are they? Here Ganga, Hari, Indu, Jhansi, Kathy. Who are all these children? They are all Ammu's friends. Whose friends? Ammu's friends. Okay, yes, you do have your friends, right, in your class? Yes, here also Ammu have friends. What are their names? The names are Ganga, Hari, Indu, Jansi, Kathy. Okay. Yes, turn the page. Page number 46, 46, 46. 46 spelling Forty, 40, SIX 6, 46. Bit 2 is happy. Here what is our lesson name? Bit 2 is happy. Happy spelling HAPPY. Happy. Happy spelling HAPPY. Happy. Happy means santosham. Happiness. Okay. Why you become happy, children? When you become happy, why you become happy? If you get your liked items, if your mama or papa brings you chocolates or biscuits, you feel happy, right? Or if they bring you a new bicycle, if they bring you a cycle, you feel so happy, right? So here bit 2 is happy. Why bit 2 is happy? Tell me why bit 2 is happy. Why he is happy? Yes, Bittu is happy because he saw Ammu. Yes or no? Here he saw Ammu, right? Here, till then he did not see Ammu. Ammu is for Ammu went for prayer. So all the people rushed, all the children rushed into the class, and Bittu got scared. Now Bittu saw Ammu, so he is happy. Bittu is happy. Okay. Yes, Bittu comes running to Ammu. Yes, when Ammu called Bittu to come back, Bittu comes running to Ammu. Bittu urukkunta Ammu దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసిండు. She pats him. Pats అంటే ఇట్లా కొట్టడం అన్నమాట. ఓకే, కొట్టడం అంటే అట్లా కొట్టడం కాదు. చిన్నప్పుడు పెట్స్ మనం ఏమంటాం, ఇట్లా బుజ్జుగిచ్చినట్టు. ఓకే, ఎస్, he is happy now. Now who is happy? Bittu is happy. See here, Bittu is happy. Ammu sees the teacher coming to the class. Oh, this everything is happening in the class. Yes or no? So here Ammu saw teacher coming into the class. See here, teacher is coming into the class by catching few books in her hand. Yes, so this everything is happening in the class, right? So Ammu saw teacher coming into the class. Where should I keep Bittu now? So now Ammu is thinking, where should I keep Bittu now? Where I should keep Bittu now? బిట్టుని ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి నేను, టీచర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది అని. హూ ఇస్ థింకింగ్? అమ్ము ఇస్ థింకింగ్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ అమ్ము థింకింగ్ నౌ? వాట్ ఈస్ అమ్ము థింకింగ్? వేర్ షీఈస్ థింకింగ్ వేర్ షుడ్ షీ కీప్ ది బిట్టు. ఓకే, బిట్టుని ఎడబెట్టాలా అని చెప్పేసి అమ్ముకి అర్థమవుతలేదు. షీఈస్ థింకింగ్ దాట్. ఓకే, got it? Yes, next. Where would she keep Bittu? Where would she keep Bittu, children? Now if you bring anything to school, if teacher see, if I see something, what I'll do, yes, if you bring anything, if you bring your pet to the school, to the class, what happens? Yes, all children in the class will tell to teacher, right? So no, then what teacher do? Teacher will tell to Vikrant sir. Yes, here if children tells about the squirrel to teacher, what happens? Teacher will tell to headmaster or somebody, and it takes away the Bittu. Yes or no? Yes. So here, where should she keep Bittu? Where would she keep Bittu? Again in her bag itself. Yes or no? She would keep her Bittu in her school bag. Yes. Will the teacher see Bittu? Will the teacher see Bittu? If she keeps Bittu inside the bag, teacher will not see. Yes or no? మీకు బ్యాగ్లో ఏమైనా దాచిపెట్టేసుకుంటే నేను చూడ కదా. Yes, if now Bittu comes out from the bag again, the teacher can see. Yes or no? Yes, ఇప్పుడు బిట్టు బయటకు వచ్చిందనుకో బ్యాగ్ నుంచి, టీచర్ చూసి టీచర్ తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Yes or no? Yes. So here by this we have finished this. Bittu is happy. Okay, why Bittu is happy? Bittu is happy because it is in the hands of Ammu. Okay, so by this we have finished this lesson, right? What is the lesson name? Bittu is happy. Okay, so we'll revise it once again. See here, Here Bittu is in colors, right? So here Bittu is sitting on whose head? Hari's head. Here it is sitting on Ganga's knee. See, here we can see Bittu is on Ganga's knee. Here he is on Hari's head. What is this, children? It is knee. What is the spelling of knee? Knee. Knee. Repeat after me, okay? Knee. Knee. What is this, children? Yes, it is head, right? What is the spelling of head? H-E-A-D. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Now what is this? Yes, it is nose. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. N-O-S-E. Nose. Here on whose nose that Bittu is sitting? Yes, he's sitting on Indu's nose. Okay, she's Indu. Then, what is it, children? Shoulder, right? Shoulder. So here Bittu is sitting on Jhansi's shoulder. Shoulder spelling S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Next, here she is Kathy. Who is she? She is Kathy. Now who is sitting on back of Kathy? Bittu. Yes or no? He is Bittu. So Bittu is on Kathy's back. Back. Spelling back here. See, it is back. B-A-C-K. Back. Okay. Yes. Next, see here. Now, Ammu asks Bittu to come back. Yes or no? Because the Bittu was so scared. So what Ammu is telling Bittu? Ammu asks Bittu to come back. Bittu is scared and he jumps here and there, spreading colors on everybody. See here, Bittu is spreading colors on everybody. Here, see, red color, green color, yes or no? Brown, purple. Yes, Bittu is spreading colors on everybody. Bittu is spreading colors on, yes, Ammu's friends like Ganga, Hari, Indu, Jhansi and Kathy. These are the names of Ammu's friends. Okay. Yes, so here Ammu catches him. Ammu catches Bittu. So what Ammu is telling Bittu? Bittu, don't get scared. They are all my friends. So Ammu is telling Bittu that Ganga, Hari, Imdu, Jhansi and Kathy are all Ammu's friends. So no need of getting scared. Okay. So why is Bittu jumping here and there? Because Ammu's friends wanted to catch Bittu. Yes or no? Here you can see. Here. Who is catching Bittu? Ishwar. Ishwar is catching Bittu. Yes or no? Yes, Ishwar tries to catch Bittu. So Bittu got scared. So here Ammu is telling Bittu not to get scared, and it is telling that they are all her friends. So Ishwar comes to catch Bittu, so Bittu is jumping here and there. What is Ammu saying to Bittu? Yes, Ammu is saying not to get scared, okay? Then next, see here. Bittu is happy. Bittu is happy here because Bittu is in the Ammu's arms, okay? Bittu comes running to Ammu. After Bittu saw Ammu, it comes running to Ammu, okay? She pats him. He is happy now. Now who is happy? Bittu is happy. Ammu sees the teacher coming to the class. See here. From here, teacher is coming to the class, okay? Yes, next. Where should I keep Bittu now? Now Ammu is in a question mark. She is thinking that where should she keep Bittu? Okay. Yes. So by this we have finished this lesson. Bittu is happy. Okay, the next lesson we will go for it tomorrow.